In lane 1, Athonia Moore from Huntley. She finished 9th a year ago. From Glenbard North, the Panthers' Simone Carr in 2. From Rockton, Hononegah, our 8th place finisher last year, Courtney Clayton. Our defending state champion from Warren, the Blue Devils, sophomore Brittany Ellis. Our 3rd place finisher, our bronze medalist from Evanston, Parker English. Our runner-up from Chicago Peyton, Cameron Pettigrew, will be in 6th. Jordan Shade of St. Charles East, our 7th place finisher a year ago, lane 7, Brittany Williams, also of St. Charles East, in lane 8. And from Plainfield Central, our 6th place finisher, Jenna Moody, way out in 9. 7 of the 9 competitors ran this same race a year ago. We look to lane 4, defending state champion, Brittany Ellis. And Ellis making the stagger up on Parker. That's Ellis and Parker running 1 and 2. Pettigrew, lane 6 from Peyton. Our silver medalist, also in contention at the head of the turn. State champion Alexandria Anderson, Morgan Park, 52-63. Pettigrew making a move from Peyton in lane 6. But it's Warren, it's the sophomore Brittany Ellis defending her title. That's Ellis, Pettigrew, and English. 1, 2, and 3, identical finish from a year ago. 54-34 on Ellis. She made Coach Nardini proud this afternoon.